In this video, I'm going to show how to improve the fit indices for the conducted model. Four, even more than four, like it is not likely, it's not a desirable figure. And if I check C5, which is comparative fit indexes, like it's also less than 9, which is supposed to be more than 9. Also, we have adjusted adjusted G5, and also we have G5 not reaching 9. So all of these figures show that the model still need to improve, and one of the way to improve these figures, we have to check the model modification indices. So let me check the badness of it. If the badness of it is to make sure what is the value of RMC, which is like it's about to indicate the badness of model fit. Okay, so our RMC is okay, because it is less than 10, so it is supposed to be less than 10. However, our C5 and G5 adjusted G5 values are not acceptable, so it requires a bit modification. I'm going to show you how to modify the conducted model, C5 model, using AMOS. So if you click on the modification indices, but before clicking on the modification indices, let me show you how to run the analysis once again. So here you have to go to the view, analysis properties, the output, and you have to check standardized estimates and also squared multiple correlations. And for checking of modification indices, so we are supposed to take this option as well to so we command the software to give us data related to give us result related to modification indices. So I'm going to mark this and then run the analysis once again. So it is run. Now I'm going to just go to the result sheet. This is our result sheet. I'm going to check once again the model fit indices. You see the same results are there. C5 is below 9, and the chi-squared semi by degree of freedom is more than 9, which is supposed to be 3. And let me just see if there are some possibilities of improving this model. This is the covariance table, so we are going to covary some of the items to improve the modification and to improve the model fit. So we are going to find out the greater value. So one of the possible error term over here, so we have error term 7 and error term 8. We are going, so it is the indication that we have to correlate these two, and let's see if there is some improvement. Let me go to the model once more time. It is 7 and 8. So this is 7 and 8. I have correlated to improve the model fit indices, the model fit figures. Let me run the analysis once again. Again, click into the estimates and mod of it. You see previously it was more than 4, the C-mean by degree of freedom, but now it is improved. It is below 4, it is 3.9, and similarly we have got some improvement at the CFI. And let me check the RMC. RMC still remains as it was before, but however we've got some improvement in the figure and the chi-squared by degree of freedom, C-mean by degree of freedom. Let's just go and check more possibilities. So there are some possibilities with 27, item 27 and item 26. Let me just check that. These items 21 and 27, 26 and 27. Now I'm going to correlate them and see the possibilities of improvement. Once again, running the analysis. This is the result. You see again there is some improvement, and here is also some improvement at CFI, and it is like 855, and it has improved. Let me check the RMC, which is the balance of it. It is supposed to be, yeah, it is also improved. It was 63 before, now 1 decrease. There was some decrease in this figure. That is indicative of badness of fit, and the badness of fit is decreased basically. So let me just see another possibilities of making it improved. Okay, so here is the most figure, it's about the most higher figure we got there. It is 41, and I'm going to correlate the error term, one error term with the second one. Let's see, and the possibility of improvement. 1 and 2, and this is the correlation. Let me just rerun the analysis and see the improvement of the model. You see it's quite so we've got some improvement in GFI, goodness of fit index, and adjusted GFI. Also there's improvement in this. Let me just see another possibility of making it more improved. And okay, we've got 5 and 4 as well, so there is another correlation should be established with error 4 and 5. Let's just see that possibility. If yeah, it is possible, because we cannot correlate the item which is related with that with one construct, which is LMD over here. So we don't have the possibility of correlating this error terms with the error term which is correlated with another construct. So this is the rule of thumb. So the correlation should happen between the errors within the same construct. Like for example, I can correlate these error terms which are related to LMD, the labor market demand, but it's not possible to correlate this error term which is related to LMD with another item which is related to EL and a separate variable. So that should be kept in mind. Let me just run the analysis once again. And see the output table. Yes, you've got improvement. Still, there are chances of improvement, and CFI is also improved. And there should be another possibility. Let me just check another possibility of improving. Three and 6 are another possibility. Let me just go through 3 and 6. 3 and 6. Okay, and let's just 3 and 6. Yeah, we can correlate 3 and 6. Okay, let me just run the analysis once again and see the improvement possibility. You see the fit indices, it's coming, getting closer to 3, and CFI is also improving, and here GFI is, drastically improved, and it is quite near to 9. Let's see another possibility of improvement. Okay, we've got 3 and 4 over here. This is the biggest, and 2 and 5 as well. Let's look at 3 and 4 first of all. 3 and 4. So we got 3 and 4 possibility of improvement is there. 3 and 4. Let's run the analysis once again. This is output table. Model fit. You see it is quite close to the look at the table, goodness of fit. So it's quite close, and we've got improvement in GFI and as well as CFI, but still there is a little bit we need to reach into the threshold, which is 9 or more than 9. Again, I'm going to see the possibilities of improvement, modification indices, and seeing the possibilities. Three and 5 is also, we can just draw covariance within 3 and 5. So, but before that, we need to check out with 15, 14, and 15. So there is a big possibility of improvement here, because this is the figure is 20, and like as much as you have high figure, so the chances of improvement is high as well. 14 and 15, 14, 15, and 14, 16. 14, 15, let me just check out with 14 and 15. Possible, yes. 14, 15, and same time 14, 16. Let me just read on the analysis. Here is the result. Yeah, modification, yes. So you see the semen by degree of freedom is quite good now. It is acceptable, it is within the range, and at the same time you've got CFI, which is comparative fit index, so it is more than 9, a desirable figure, and IFI is also more than 9, so the GFI, the goodness of it, is also more than 9. So let me check the badness of it, which is RMC. This is quite good. It is about 5% badness of fit in this model. So this is the way how to modify the CFA model through AMOS. So maybe somebody is going to ask, is this method is acceptable? Yes, this is acceptable method, scientifically approved, and there is no problem if you are going to modify your model by this way. Thank you for watching.